Hey guys, what's up? So I'm still going to be doing the princess tutorials I've been doing, but I'm going to take this week and introduce a new video I'm going to start filming. If you've been following me for a year or two, you'll know that I've been subscribed to Ipsy for the past couple years. And just recently I've decided to subscribe to Birchbox to test that one out. I think I'm still going to do some blog posts with Birchbox as well. But I'm going to test out showing you what I got in a video versus a blog post. I might do both. I might just do the video. I'm not sure yet. But anyways, that's what I'm going to be doing today, showing you the April Birchbox that I received. So this is the box. It's got like the cute flower design. It says Birchbox down here. And one really cool thing about Birchbox is when they send you stuff, the card they send you actually tells you what the products are, and it tells you how much the full sizes cost. So I think that's really cool. It also gives you 20% off anything you've ever sampled, so that's really cool. So yeah, like I really like that instead of having to like look it up, because Ipsy doesn't tell you how much the full sizes cost, so it's more of a surprise if you look it up. Anyways, I'm going to get started with what I got. One of the things I got is something that you probably have seen in some of my Ipsy posts. I got the Bad Girl Bang Mascara by Benefit. I still haven't tested the first one of these I got, but I hope I really like it since I have two. Normally when I have duplicates, if I don't really like it or if I don't really feel like I need both, I'll give one to my cousin. So you'll only see the one review for this one. I don't feel the need to review it twice, but yeah. I don't even know that I've ever opened the box, to be honest with you guys. But yeah, it's just a basic thing. I don't want to open the actual mascara with the wand because I don't want to mess it up, because they only last like 3 months once you open them. I'm throwing it everywhere. So the next one that I got is called Bioderma. It is a Sebum Matte Control. It's a shine control moisturizer. It says, thanks to zinc and vitamin B6, the lightweight gel keeps oil and shine at bay for up to 8 hours. It also refines texture and tightens pores and for smoother looking complexion. So that'll be really cool to try. Oh, the Bang Mascara is $12 to $24 for the full size. This is about $20 for the full size of this. Probably. It's very, like, it doesn't feel oily, but it's very, like, watery kind of. Makes your skin feel very soft, though. I think this might actually be a really cool product to try out. The next thing that I got is called Coola Dawn Patrol Classic Primer. It is normally $42 for the full size. And it says, this primer meets sunscreen, hybrid prep skin for makeup application, and protects from harmful UV rays. It says to apply liberally. I cannot talk this morning. It says to apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. I'm really curious what this one smells like because I love the smell of suntan lotions. So I'm very curious if this would smell similar to that or not. It smells good, but it smells more like cucumber-y to me than it does like sunscreen-y. Because I'm used to, I don't know really how you would describe sunscreen, but just like the normal sunscreen scent is what I really like. And this like smells okay. Like it's not a bad smell, but it smells more like a cucumber kind of. Which I guess that's good if you like that. I don't mind it. And the next thing that I got is called Orbi. It's this little thing. It's a grandiose hair plumping mousse. The full size is normally $39. It says, amp up the volume with this luxe mousse that delivers crunch-free bombshell body. Work a golf ball sized dollop through damp hair, then scrunch. So this would be really cool to try out. I've never tried something like this. So I have no idea, like, how it would work. It is normally $39. It's very, very like, it smells really, really good. It's very foamy. Like I said, I've never used something like this, so I don't know. I don't want to put it in my hair right now since I've straightened it, but it smells really, really good. Like, I like this just for the smell, if nothing else. And the last thing that I got is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk Liquid Highlighter. The full size is normally $20. Yeah, I've never used one quite like this, so I'm really interested to try this. I don't see any easy way to open it though. I have one highlighter that's kind of a liquid, but it isn't liquidy enough, like, I don't think it's gonna be the same formula as this. This one seems like it's extremely liquidy. If you can see that, that's my cat that just jumped up on the bed. Solaire. This one just seems like it's going to be extremely liquid. I don't even know if I can get this open right now on camera. They really need to make these things easier to open, you guys. Like, I have the hardest time getting into some of this stuff. There we go. So it comes with like, it's kind of like a nail polish kind of applicator. It doesn't smell chemically like some things do, so I'm really interested to try this. It looks really pretty. Oh wow, you get so much product. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's very pigmented, and like once you blend it out, it's very, very, very pretty. I actually cannot wait to start trying this. I'm really excited. Hopefully you'll see some of these things in upcoming videos soon. And let me know if you guys like me doing like a video unboxing of this kind of thing versus like a blog post where you get to like kind of see more to start off with. I will probably still review these on my blog. I'll probably photograph them and do the reviews like I normally would. But as you guys know, I sometimes mention things in videos as well, so if I like them, look for them in videos. And yeah, just let me know if you guys like this. I'm going to try and do this every month with Birchbox, like I do Ipsy on my blog every month. So let me know in the comments if you enjoy the video version or the blog post version better, and that'll let me know which thing I should continue with. And I hope that you guys have an awesome day. Bye guys!